Hello, I'm Malachi, Miss Lena's great grandson, and I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And here's Miss Lena.
Good morning. This is Miss Lena, and I'm coming to you today, and I'm going to do a sweet potato pie. I've already boiled my sweet potatoes, and so now all I have to do is put the ingredients in them. Okay? I didn't have very many. There's only about 4 or 5 medium-sized potatoes, almost small. Okay? I'll be using half and half cream. I'll be using a teaspoonful of flour, and I'll be using a teaspoon of lemon juice, and I'll be using cinnamon, 1/3 teaspoon of lemon juice. Ground cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and I'll be using vanilla flavor at 1 tablespoon. I have 2 eggs, and I'll be using a cup of sugar, and I'll also be using a stick of butter. So now I'm getting ready to pour my butter in, okay? All right. So I'll be blending my butter in. Okay. Now I'll be putting my sugar in. I'll put just half of it at one time. Try to blend it in a little bit. Okay. And now I'm going to put the rest of the sugar in. Okay. All right. So now I have the brown sugar. This is 1 tablespoon. So I'm going to put that in also. Okay. I'll be putting my 1 teaspoonful of flour. Okay. All right. This is a 1/3 teaspoon of nutmeg. And 1/3 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay. I'm going to start blending that in. Okay. Now, this is my vanilla flavor. I have 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor. Okay. And this is my lemon juice. That is 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. Okay. Now I have a 1/2 cup of half and half cream. I'm going to pour a little bit of it. Going to blend this in. Okay. And I'll be putting my eggs in. I'm going to put one at a time. Okay. All right, I'm going to put the rest of the milk in, and also the rest of the egg. Okay. Now I will continue to blend this in till I get it mixed well. And I'll be back in just a minute. I'm going to get the pie crust out of the oven because I had let it brown. Thank you. Okay. I took the pie shell out. So now I'm ready to put the sweet potato pie in the shell. So it's coming out. And I went and beat it with the electric mixer. Okay, I'm going to put it in the oven, and I'll be back at the finishing touches. Okay, this is my sweet potato pie, and the kids are getting ready to do a taste test for you. And I know it's good, so everybody's just going to get a bite. So break it up so you can get a bite apiece, okay? You're only going to take a bite. Not going to try to eat the whole pie. Pieces like all right. Hold up now. Let him get a bite, Michael. Okay. Did you get a bite, Simone? Okay. Tell how it tastes. Wait.
It's good. It's good.
It's really good.
Go ahead.
It's really good.
You say this way too long.
Tastes really good. It's really good.
All right, you tell.
Like it.
All right.
I hope you like.
Okay.
Comment, subscribe, and hit
So
notification bell.
this is the finishing pie of Miss Lena's sweet potato pie. And so the children have tasted and they say it is delicious. So I know it's sweet potato season is coming up, but right now, this is one that I have for today. And I thank you and be blessed. This is our dessert for this Sunday. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Like, comment, subscribe, Mr. Mike. Bye. See ya.